Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. We specialize in the common rail inject, and each week we have different videos and a live show on the Facebook and the YouTube account. And today I want to share you some of our product. This is our control valve. Yes, okay, let's check the details for our product. First, as you can see, this candle package bag is packaged with the VCI anti-rust bags here, and also on our package bag there has a label on this part. In the first line of our labels, you can see this is the Shumatt logos. And on this line, it's a model number. It's the F00RJ01683 common rail valve. Yep. The application number is the 0445120080 and 0445120268. As you can see, there has some QR code on the label and the other informations on our package bags. And for the logo and the logo brand, as you can see, this is our Shumatt brand, right? If you want to design your own logos, your own brand, you can contact us. With Shumatt, we can apply the customized services, like we can design this kind of print your logo and print with your own informations. Also with this kind of package bags, yes, we can apply the customized service for you. Okay, then let's open it to see our control valve. I will open it to see the inside parts. In the inside, our control valve is packed with oil paper. It's here. This is our control valve. Yep. It can be separate, and you can look at this part. This is a valve cap. This is a valve rod. Okay, let's check the details for our control valve. Look at this part. As you can see on this valve cap, there has some coating on this part, right? And also here some numbers. It's the some numbers on this part. This is the valve rod. Yep. Actually, we seal the whole side of our control valve. Also, we can seal the separate part. If you have any needs, you can contact us. And about yes, we also supplied the custom-made case and all the spare parts we can provide you. And about the size. Yes, about the roll size. If you need other size, yes, you can contact us. We can supply the other size for you. Okay, that's the control valve details about our product. Actually, besides that, I want to share with you a little tips for you. Okay, first is our control valve. If you want to clean the injector or the control valve, you should clean it with the oil to clean our product. And then we have the about our product. We had the 6 months warranties. Yes, during the warranty time, if you are not satisfied with the qualities, you can contact us and we can exchange the product for you. Yep. And the last but not least, I want to suggest to you that when you to make it and make sure the valve rods can be moved smoothly and after assembly in the inject body. Yes, okay, that's all the details about our control valve. Yes, actually, we have many models of our product, right? If you have any problems or any models if you are not familiar with, you can send us the model numbers. We can help you to check it. Also, you can download the app. Okay, that's a product we are showing today. Actually, we have different videos and the live show on the Facebook and the YouTube account. Feel free to contact us and remember to follow us at our channel. Yes, thank you. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.